If you want to make money and reach a bigger audience on Instagram, it's time to level up your Instagram game by switching from a personal account to a professional account. This change unlocks powerful tools like analytics, promotions, monetization options, and better ways to connect with your audience. Today, I will walk you through the process so you can start growing smarter and not harder. If you are new here, I'm Janet, and I create practical tips and strategies to help you grow, monetize, and thrive online. Let's begin. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to open your profile page. In the top right corner, tap the three lines, which is the menu icon, and this will open settings and activity. Scroll down and tap on account type and tools. This is where Instagram gives you access to professional features. By the way, before you be able to switch to a professional account, you need to make your account public. So if your account is a private account, click the video up here and it will teach you how to switch it from a private account to a public account. From here, we have two options. You can either switch it from here or you click on this professional account below here. Either of the two will still lead you to the same page. Now go ahead and click on switch to professional account, and these are the features you will have access to when you switch to professional account. So read it and make sure you understand it. Then click next. On this page, select a category that best describes what you do. For example, maybe you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, business, public figure. Just be strategic here because this will affect how Instagram understand and recommend your content. You see this button right here? It simply helps to display your category on your profile. If you want people to know what you do, go ahead and turn it on. After that, click switch to professional account. And here, Instagram will ask for your account type. If you pick the creator's account, this is best for influencers, content creators, and personal branding, okay? And if you choose the business account, this is best for brands, companies, and service providers. For this demo, I'm going with creator. Click next. And here, Instagram is simply telling you to set up your safety settings, okay? If you want to learn how to set up your Instagram the right way with all the security settings, the monetization settings, and everything you need to know to position yourself the right way, click the link in this video description or click the link displayed above here. Please note that switching to a professional account doesn't automatically grow or monetize your page. What grows your page is how you use the data Instagram gives you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss more strategies to grow and monetize your online.